So I'm really happy to announce this morning that we've signed up a health insurance scheme with the Sikh community in Kenya.
Today, Jubilee Health Insurance has launched a partnership together with the Sikh Council of Kenya, which seeks to provide cover for all Sikhs and their families and their businesses, really as one community. And for us, this is something we're very keen on as Jubilee Health Insurance. We think that the approach in terms of community health-based insurance is a great way to do it. You think about this community as a strong sense of belonging. People already engage quite extensively, and this is where also the care needs go to. When they're unwell, they end up going to these communities and really to fundraise. And therefore, an exciting day today for us, because as you think about it, it means every Sikh really has an opportunity to do it together with the others as part of the community organized by the Sikh Council, but also their businesses really enjoy preferential rates and support from us at Jubilee Health Insurance.
So today we have just signed an MOU with Jubilee, so at least we can now bring our community in and go ahead with it as far we can. The partnership is all our community members, we make sure they're covered with their medical cover.
We're pleased to see this development because we strongly believe that inclusion of larger community groups within our business framework is an important development to make sure that the vulnerable community members are not jeopardized or compromised badly should they have a major healthcare issue in the family.